The regeneration cycle of a water softener is primarily related to the rising volume, raw water hardness, and water usage. There are three main regeneration modes: time-based, flow-based, and a combination of both. In the time-based mode, the water softener initiates regeneration after a set time interval. Since daily water usage varies, this method may result in generation occurring before rising exhaustion or after complete exhaustion. The flow-based mode triggers regeneration when a specific volume of water has passed through the system. This mode is commonly used in industrial settings with backup water tanks to prevent immediate regeneration upon reaching the set flow, which could disrupt user water supply. The flow delayed mode is a combination of time-based and flow-based regeneration. After reaching the set flow, regeneration is delayed until a specific time, often during a period when water usage is minimum, such as the default time of 2 AM in our water softener.